Hello. This is Kostas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you the a new plugin that I have created to deal with a common problem. This plugin it disables the top bar of WordPress when a subscriber, editor, an author is connected to the WordPress. Okay, so when you are using a subscription or you are using um, a service like people have to connect and check their dashboard, you don't really want to have the extra admin bar on the top of your WordPress. So with a low cost and through F-Spirits, you're gonna find the WP admin bar access that it's a great tool for you, and trust me, a very easy way, because you just have to enable admin bar control from here. That's the switch. And the next one, hide admin bar space for logged out user visitors. It's in case there is a CSS issue and you get a space on the top that it's supposed to be the WP bar. This checkbox is gonna fix that. And the last step is just to select which of those um, level uh, level users you want to disable this admin bar. You just select, let's say I have selected the subscriber, you just click save admin bar settings, and that's so easy. You got your admin bar from the top disabled, and that's gonna be visible only for administrators. Okay, and that's something that you can disable. That's why I created like that, and it keeps this the administrator role. Sorry, it keeps the administrator role disabled. So in any case, um, you're not gonna uh, get into a situation that you're gonna disable your own administrator admin bar panel. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you want to learn more about this amazing plugin and other amazing marketing plugins trust me, it gives a lot of value. You can just click to the link down to my description and to the comments, and I will see you to the next video. Bye bye.